Hi, everyone. If you love food and want to improve your English, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about cooking verbs. The words you need to understand recipes, follow cooking shows, and talk confidently about making delicious meals. From chopping and boiling to simmering and caramelizing, we'll explore simple and advanced verbs that will turn you into a master of kitchen English. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced cook ready to spice up your vocabulary, this lesson is perfect for you. So, grab your apron, get comfortable, and let's start cooking up some new English words together. Basic cooking verbs. Boil, cook in hot water. Fry, cook in hot oil. Bake, cook in the oven. Grill, cook over direct heat. Steam, cook with vapor. Roast, cook in the oven with dry heat. Chop, cut into small pieces. Cut, divide into pieces. Slice, cut into thin pieces. Peel, remove the outer layer. Mix, combine ingredients. Stir, move in circles with a spoon. Pour, transfer liquid. Spread, cover a surface with a layer. Mash, crush food into a soft mass. Drain, remove liquid. Rinse, wash with water. Toast, brown food by heating. Advanced cooking verbs. Sauté, cook quickly in a little oil. Simmer, cook gently below boiling point. Blanch, briefly boil, then cool quickly. Caramelize, heat sugar or food until golden brown. Reduce, boil down a liquid to thicken. Skim, remove fat or foam from the surface. Tenderize, make meat softer. Season, add spices and salt. Zest, scrape the outer skin of citrus fruits. Julienne, cut into thin strips. Dice, cut into small cubes. Braise, cook slowly in liquid after browning. Cure, preserve with salt or smoke. Clarify, make liquid clear by removing solids. Score, cut shallow lines on the surface. Butterfly, cut and open meat or fish like a book. Sear, quickly brown the surface at high heat. Drizzle, pour in a thin stream. International cooking verbs. Marinate, soak food in a flavored liquid. Poach, cook in gently simmering liquid. Stir fry, cook quickly in hot oil while stirring. Smoke, cook or flavor with smoke. Ferment, let food naturally change over time. Flambe, ignite food with alcohol. Griddle, cook on a flat, hot surface. Pressure cook, cook quickly under pressure. Steep, soak to extract flavor. Broil, cook with intense heat from above. Parboil, partly cook by boiling. Pickle, preserve in vinegar or brine. Encrust, cover with a crust before cooking. Flash fry, cook very quickly at high heat. Toast, brown by heat, with nuts or spices. Char, burn the surface slightly. Crumble, bake into small pieces before cooking. Bonus, baking verbs. Whisk, beat quickly to add air. Knead, work dough by hand. Fold, gently combine mixtures. Sift, pass dry ingredients through a sieve. Dust, sprinkle lightly with flour or sugar. Glaze, coat with a shiny layer. Pipe, squeeze mixture through a bag. Proof, let dough rise before baking. Score, make cuts in dough before baking. Drizzle, pour a thin stream of liquid. Grease, coat with fat to prevent sticking. Sprinkle, scatter small pieces or drops. Melt, heat until something becomes liquid. Roll, flatten dough with a rolling pin. Blend, mix ingredients until smooth. Layer, place one layer on top of another. Decorate, make something look attractive. Carve, cut into a shape or design. You've just learned some of the most useful cooking verbs in English, from basic actions like chop and boil to advanced techniques like sauté and caramelize. Now you can follow recipes, watch cooking shows, and talk about your favorite dishes with confidence. Tell us in the comments, which cooking verb was new for you today? Or share a sentence using your favorite one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to 7ESL Learning English, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Happy cooking and happy English learning. See you next time.